Alright, 3Gs guys. Well, as you know, I'm kind of ended up breaking down on the highway. And luckily I was able to milk it down to the exit ramp and off the highway, because it's really hard to get picked up by a tow truck on the highway. So that worked out pretty good. I got picked up within an hour and I wasn't even hardly late for work. But yeah, just really didn't have time to really look at it till now. And yeah, just kind of looking everything over. And let's see, we got decent battery voltage and all that. We're just kind of checking everything out. So for kicks, I couldn't remember where the fuel pump. I think my fuel pump's gone out, and when I broke down, I could hear it. I couldn't hear it anymore, and it's got a little bit of a whine to it when you first click it. And I'm going to try to jump in here. I'm going to try to jump in here and see if this camera will pick it up. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the back and click the key over. I'm going to do it again, another click. And it's a low rumble noise. And this pump's not that old, but it's also got a little high squeal noise when you first key it over after a day. So I was like, all right, so now all of a sudden I hear the fuel pump going. Again, all I've done is check the battery voltage. It's a little low, but I ran it cranking and stuff, and I got stuck. So watch this, it's going to start, or it started for me just a minute ago. Yeah. So it's kind of a mystery. I guess I'll let it run a minute. I really want to get it in my garage because it's kind of been stuck out here, and I really didn't want to, not thrilled on pushing it. So I'm going to let it run a minute, let the battery charge up. Instead of using a battery charger, I had a battery charger ready to go. So pretty strange. So we might come back to, obviously don't have any blown fuses or anything, so we might have to come back to the relay not really working anymore, or probably the fuel. I still think the fuel pump's going out, overheating. I've got 3/4 tank of gas. That's going to be a bummer, because that's going to be a hard one to air fuel ratio seems good. That was the key that told me my fuel pump maybe was acting up on the highway. This the air fuel ratio, it got high. So it got, when you're over 15, you're running lean, and that means you're not getting enough fuel. And I noticed with my throttle input, I wasn't getting anything, you know, it just wasn't picking up. The car wasn't at highway speed. So yeah, kind of, that's going to be a frustrating one, because now I don't have a whole lot of confidence. I want to just take it out for a rip and get stuck again. But I also want to fix this, and I was really, you know, it's been a kind of a nice day. It's a nice week. It's a fall day. It's sunny out. This is when I really like driving the car, and it's kind of going to bum me out if it's not going to be super reliable. So I got a few little fixes for it. I believe I think I've got a spare relay. And that's easy to carry. In fact, it might be in this glove box. Sometimes I keep it. Yeah, there it is. So this is probably the original one, I bet. I hadn't used it in a long time, so I might swap relays just to make sure this one works. Yeah, go from there. Oh, it's fumbling right there. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna shut it because I wanna. It's obviously running out of fuel. So pretty weird. So all right, well that's telling me probably fuel pump still, but okay, I'm glad that did that as I was filming. So I don't usually make them this long. So yeah, and I've got my dash lights. Yep, check engine lights. So I think my ECU and my other stuff's good. It's possible we're losing spark. Definitely gonna check that. But that, when your air fuel ratio goes way lean like that, and you saw it, it went to 20. So you're running out of fuel. So probably still the pump. But anyway, maybe I'll be able to get it in the garage at least. Let's hope. Alright, thanks 3Gs guys. I'll talk to you later. Enjoy this short one.